Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to send money internationally with MoneyGram. So we're going to head over our app for MoneyGram. We're going to open the app and we're going to sign in for an account. So as you can see, it is going to be very needed to skip up this part. So I'm going to real quick confirm my identity. You're going to find it in here in just a few seconds. Now we're going to see the dashboard of the app, as you can see here. Now, how can we send the money internationally? It is going to be very simple as always, and if you have used already MoneyGram, it is going to be the same thing. We're going to click on the button send at the bottom of the app. Now we're going to send to the country that we are going to choose. Here, let's say that we are in France and we are going to see that it is going to send to the same country that we are in. We are going to click on it and we're going to choose another country. For example, I'm going to choose the United States. So I can go ahead and click on the search, click on United, and click on United States. So we're going to choose the state, for example, the most famous one, which is going to be New York. We're going to have, as you can see, the fees and everything that is going to be received. So the amount that we're going to send is going to be in euro, and that is based on the region that you have opened and chosen the account region from. The received money or the sended money is going to have the currency of the region or the country that you have chosen, which is the United States. They use the US dollars. So then we are going to apply the payment method, which is going to be a debit card, or you can go ahead and put a deposit transfer, which is going to need from you to relocate to one of the MoneyGram agencies, and then you are going to put the money. And also you can go ahead and select the receiving method. In the United States method or the United States, it is going to give you more options. So we can have the direct to bank account, which is going to be global for all the countries. We have something that we haven't before, which is going to be the MoneyGram account, but it is going to take only a few minutes. We have the cash pickup and we have the cash pickup at Walmart, as you can see. So you're going to choose the receiving method, and then you're going basically to click on continue. If you have a promo code, put it, click on continue, then you're going to add the receiver number and also name, and for that you have set up everything. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.